Enterprises is here to review a product. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to say it on the review or not, but I'm actually got this for free from Amazon Vine program just to review it. So, this is an AC adapter for a Zbook. It's 150 watt. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and just make sure it works. New tripod too, so it's a little angled. I can't figure that out yet. Okay. That looks like a pretty sturdy cord, nice and thick. Let's see. Here we have the actual adapter, the actual charging unit. And I prefer the ones with the braided cords, but I mean this here seems like it's still pretty decent. 150 watt. I mean it looks kind of like the original, so let's see. Plug this into here. Plug this into the wall. And then I have a Zbooks Studio G10. So on this side is where the charger is. So I put the barrel plug in, and will it charge? Give it a second. Oh, there you go. Right away it's starting to charge. Yeah, I mean it seems like a pretty decent quality one. So yeah, I mean it works. It's a decent quality charger, it seems. Like it seems pretty sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap, like it's ready to fall apart. I mean, 150 watt. I'm looking at the other numbers here, and it matches the ones on the original charger. So yeah, overall, this here is seems like a pretty decent device. The only thing is if it were to burn out or like not work in a month or two, but I can't review what's going to happen in a month or two right now, can I? I mean, overall, I think this here would be a good purchase. And for anybody interested in buying it, there you go. It's the ASIN right there. That thing.